Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your Wise debit card so you can start using it immediately. Step 1. Gather your card and information. Locate your new Wise debit card and any accompanying documents. Make sure you have your card and personal details ready for verification. Step 2. Activate via the Wise mobile app. Open the Wise app on your smartphone. Log in to your account, navigate to the Cards section, and select your new card. Tap on Activate Card and follow the on-screen instructions, including entering your card details if required. Step 3. Activate by phone if needed. Wise cards are primarily activated via the app. However, if you experience any issues, you can contact Wise customer support through the app or website. Provide your card details and follow their instructions. Step 4. Confirmation. Once your card is successfully activated, you will receive confirmation through the app. Your Wise debit card is now ready to use for purchases, online transactions, and ATM withdrawals. Step 5. Set up online and mobile access. To manage your card efficiently, make sure your Wise app is fully set up. This allows you to monitor transactions, manage multiple currencies, transfer funds, and control your card settings easily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.